Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the science behind beauty products. If you're looking for a serum that tackles multiple skin concerns, you might have already heard of the Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic Plus Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Overnight Serum. This unisex serum promises to deliver on elasticity, moisture recovery, and dark spot reduction. But how well does it actually work? Let's break it down. The key ingredients in this formula include trans-retinol and encapsulated retinol, which help to smooth the skin's texture, fade dark spots, and boost collagen production. You also have ferulic acid, which acts as a protector to counteract the potential irritation that comes with retinol, while also reducing the effects of sun damage. These ingredients sound promising, but how do they come together in real-life application? After incorporating this serum into my nighttime routine for a few weeks, I noticed a significant difference in my skin's texture and overall tone. The serum absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, making it easy to layer underneath your moisturizer. When I woke up each morning, my skin felt hydrated and plump, which was a pleasant surprise considering retinol's reputation for being drying. The texture is lightweight and smooth, making it an ideal product for those with oily or combination skin. It also has a mild scent, which isn't overpowering, a plus for anyone sensitive to fragrance in their skincare. Now let's get to the real test: performance. Over time, my skin's elasticity improved, and I could visibly see the fading of some stubborn dark spots. I also noticed that fine lines, especially around my eyes, looked less pronounced. That's a win. However, I did experience slight dryness at the start, which is common when introducing retinol, but the added ferulic acid helped mitigate irritation. After about 2 weeks, the dryness was much less noticeable. In terms of pros, the formula is effective in addressing multiple concerns: wrinkles, dark spots, and overall skin texture. The encapsulated retinol provides a slower release, which is gentler on the skin, and the inclusion of ferulic acid means it's a great option for sensitive skin types that still want the benefits of retinol without the typical irritation. On the flip side, I would say the price point is something to consider. It's on the higher end for a 1-aught serum, but considering the performance and the high-quality ingredients, it might still be worth the investment for those who are serious about their anti-aging skincare routine. For those who might find this serum a bit steep, there are alternatives out there. Look for other retinol serums with encapsulated forms or products containing ferulic acid. While they might not have the exact same combination of ingredients, you can still find formulas that provide similar benefits at a lower cost. So, is it worth the investment? Absolutely. If you're looking for a powerful yet gentle retinol serum to tackle signs of aging, fade dark spots, and improve texture, this product checks all the boxes. But if you're new to retinol, be sure to start slow and follow up with a good moisturizer to keep your skin balanced. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic Plus Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Overnight Serum in the comments or description box. Have you tried this serum? Drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.